And this one is new old stock. This has never been worn. This is better condition than the one that I have over sterling. Wonderful pave in there. Just when you think it can't get better than gold. This is an estate sale haul. These are epic finds, epic scores, all from one major estate sale. This is the bag. I don't know if you can see it. There's the whole thing. There's gold in here. I found gold. I found full Trifari sets. I found Kramer. I found new old stock. It's all from one person. It's been in storage a very long time. She had a store that closed in Hudson, New York. So I can't wait to show it to you. Let's open it. Okay, I also forgot to mention, I know that there's Victorian book chain in here. I know that there's gold filled. I'm gonna start with the first thing that I did the sneak peek of. That's this. This right here is Trifari in the original box. But look, all of this has treasure. Victorian, gold filled, sterling, 14 karat, sterling, Art Deco. Basically, whatever she had. We have rings, gemstone, Art Deco rings, at least two. We have old Monet, one of my favorite old Monet pieces. I'll just show you the back of it. It's one of my favorites. From my own collection, this is new old store stock. And this. So now, that's the haul. The bag is empty. So let's begin. We'll start with this one. Okay. And this, we have this beautiful thing that is sterling and I believe acrylic. And there are matching earrings to this somewhere. That is beautiful. Okay. We also have these. I love these. I believe these are Sarakov. The SIG. And it's hard to remember the hallmark. Aren't they beautiful though? I love these. This little box. Oops. Popped right out. Look at this beautiful thing. Sterling and marcasites with a little dangle heart. That's beautiful. I love that one. This is a cameo. And it's on a hard stone, I believe. It's beautiful. I forget what it is. I think it's white gold. I don't remember. I have to check it again. Oh, maybe this is the white gold one. Look at this one. This is so beautiful. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, old, exquisite gemstone, two-tone gold. This would make a fabulous pinky ring. So fabulous. If anybody wants to find out how much these things are, this is just the preview. Well, no, this is not the preview. This is just the haul video. These are gold. These are beautiful. Old, authentic Art Deco. Gorgeous. To text me at 917-809-7250 or email me at hudsonvintage@me.com. Look at this. Here's something you don't see every day. It's in perfect condition. It looks like it was made yesterday, really. Okay. So, oh, I love this one. Okay, look at this. This commemorates the 50th Jubilee of Queen Elizabeth. And it's set in this chain. This bezel is made for it, or made for these coins. I think it's silver. So that's cool. And the chain is not silver, but it doesn't have a clasp. So it's its original chain, how they were sold. Very deco. And that's, I believe this is also signed. Look at the condition of this. Isn't that gorgeous? So these will all be coming up for auction.
Text 917-809-7250 to get free alerts when I go live with an auction or sale, or drop a video.
Look at this set. Oh, I forget who this is. It's like right on the tip of my brain. It's so well known. That's the back of it. Okay. It's grapes. And then there's the earrings with the leaves. Isn't that wonderful? Look at that. So this is handmade. This, it has a hidden mark. It was very difficult to see, but I could tell from the feel. I knew I was going to find it. This is sterling. It's marked sterling. I believe the gold is gold. So I think that's sterling and gold. I have to test it. It's studio made, so it might not be marked for gold. It might just test as gold, but it's really silky. This reminds me so much of Calder. So I believe this to be silver and gold. Everything looks correct, and it's already marked silver. So there's that. And put that down. Okay. Then we have this beautiful thing. Look at this. I believe this is Boucher. Unmarked, but I recognize, look at the condition of that. I mean, when have you ever seen condition like that? Isn't that stunning? All original. This was a magical moment in my life yet again. It's just not every day that you run into things like this. And, you know, at an estate sale that was advertised by poster, you know. Okay, that's beautiful. That's gold over sterling. And there's a tiny little blue stone here that goes to something. Looks like they're all there, actually. Look at how beautiful this is. Gold over sterling. Look at that swan. I have to look it up more. Isn't it great? It is actually costume. Look at the back. But it's a mother of pearl shell. It's beautiful. I guess a swan? Yeah, swan. Wonderful. Wonderful pave in there. So we'll put him there. I just did in my last auction, I showed you Trifari earrings from the 1970s that are, they were costume versions of this. These are 14 karat gold cigar band hoops. These are circa, they could even be circa 1950, 1960, 1970. Look at the construction of these. But these are those classic cigar band hoops. And there are pictures of Angelica Houston in these, Elizabeth Taylor, Audrey Hepburn, and sartorially, they're two-toned gold, 14 karat, and I see these with like vintage Coach, you know, a nice blazer. They're just really beautifully made. Gold. Then there's this. Look at this. Just when you think it can't get better than gold, this is Victorian book chain. Look at the condition of this. It's stunning, and it's at least gold filled. Look at it. It's kind of reversible. It's amazing. This is amazing. I can't remember the last time I saw one in condition like this. Look at the clasp. Beautiful, right? Oh yeah, look at this. In the original box, Art Deco sterling hearts with marcasite. Look at that. Oh, and then this I have to test. This is mother of pearl. These might be gold beads, but this is those mother of pearl kind of twisted multi-strands that were popular. These are so great for summer and for adding enhancers, and these might be gold filled, and it has its original clasp. So, and this was so inexpensive. I think they wanted $1 for this. So, oh, okay, that's the lid. You have the bracelet. Necklace. And the earrings, like new. From the, look, this is unsigned Kramer. I recognize this. This color is so rare. This is that deep teal. Look at it. These are tremblant. Okay. And then here's the earrings. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Not all of these are signed. I collected these for a long time. I gave up my kind of hot pink magenta ones, and I still regret that today. So I was very happy to find that. Usually it takes years to put the sets together, and there it is, unworn in the original box, old store stock. Okay, then we have some pretty summery things. Rhinestone, the little pink flower bracelet. I forget what this is. It's right on the tip of my tongue. I think it's, can't remember. The chain absolutely looks like gold. It's such good quality. I think this is older than I originally thought. Look at that link. The enameling. This is divine. It's three-dimensional. Oh, it's so beautiful. That is just so, it's so beautiful. It looks like fine jewelry. And we have this. Oh boy, look at this ring. I almost forgot about this. Well, I'll show you this first. I think this is old Cracker Jack, but they're all the same color, but the different animals. So how fun is this? I believe it's Cracker Jack prizes. So that would make this a pretty valuable collectible. And I've never seen them with all the same color. So I could be wrong, or it could just be a really amazing example. And then there's one thing that's not there anymore, but it doesn't detract. You can literally just move like the Scotty over to where that is. Look at the bunny. Bunny, horse, Scotty, camel, another Scotty, a boxer, and another horse. Delightful. Really fun. Okay. Put that there. This I love. Oh, these are together. Look at this beautiful thing. Inlaid turquoise. The size of this is amazing. I think this is coin silver. It has the old magic marker, which is a tell. Native, they used the magic marker. So I don't know if you can see it, if it's coming up, but that's a really good indicator of what this is. And look at the size of this. And it's a large ring size, so it'll work for a lot of people. But it's exquisite. It's like this becomes the showpiece of your whole, ring clip. Look at that. It's stunning. I love it so, I love this. I believe this is old Monet. I love this texture. It's Monet or Trifari. I'm such a fan of this. This is like new, wide link, delicious, so good all the time, every day, until we get old. Fabulous. And let's see if I can find, oh yeah, look, it's the old the old Monet mark. Can you see that? Here we are. Amazing. Safety chain still intact. Okay, we'll put that there. And this one is new old stock. This has never been worn. This is better condition than the one that I have. And mine, I don't have the chain. I have the pin version, but look at this. This is that military style. Isn't that incredible? This is so good, everyone. I mean, this is just, and look at the chain. Stunning. So an important collectible, you know, good vintage investment. Then we have, this is the last bag right here, everything in here. So there's still quite a bit. This is older than I originally thought. This is the back of it. Look at the clasp on it. It has no thumb thingy. And then this might be gold filled or something. The enamel has worn off in places, but it's very special and I need to do further research on it. Look at them. Really amazing. This came out. This is convertible. These actually feel like they could be gold. I should test them, but this is fun, kind of a faux tortoise. And you can hang, if you have mother of pearl or whatever, you can hang from it, and it's the pierced omega back. That looks kind of real too. I'm sure it's like Monet or something, but look at the quality of that. Isn't that gorgeous? And I think, yeah, here's the other one. Hold on. Roll this. Okay. All right. So that's everything. So we have the other one of these. I think this is sterling. Stunning. Look at the size of it. All right. The necklace. My memory isn't serving me now, but there's the bracelet, the necklace, and the bracelet. Beautiful. So that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section. I think my favorite is, I love the hoops. I love this Monet. But let me know what your favorites are. And the auction for this will be coming. Oh, and also this. I love this very much. The auction will be coming up.
Don't forget, I have auctions and sales twice a week, Wednesdays and Fridays. And I also have the Hudson Vintage Watch Party channel for nightly watch-along videos with the live chat. Text 917-809-7250 to get free alerts when I go live with an auction or sale, or drop a video. Also, the links are below this video in the description.